Hi traders. Okay, Deriv Bot Trading for beginners has since transitioned or changed from the way it was before. And nowadays we have tools that assist you. We have free bots. And today we are going to look at the even odd analysis. It analyzes even odd, over and under. So once you come to the site, click that button there, even odd analysis, and then this is the tool. This tool will help any Deriv beginner find entries on even odd. And once you come there, we are on even odd. All you need to do is to scan the market like that. So it will scan 100 1S, sorry, the 1S family. Like now we got 50 1S even. Let's see whether it will prepare. Once you click there, you will have loaded your XML bot and also input your stake. You can see everything is prepared there, and then you wait for these conditions to be met. Only one remaining, and there you have a beep. So you can see how amazing it is in 2026 as a beginner to trade using free tools. These tools that you see here do the heavy lifting for you. A lot of coding has been done behind the scenes to enable you enter the market by identifying even or odd. Like here you can see 6 and 8 are predominantly even, and then the least appearing, second least appearing digits are odd digits. So this market is predominantly even, leading at 54%. The tool, the bot, will help you take trades like what you can see. We've hit our take profit, made $60, and then you refresh everything like that. And in the process, you will also learn by looking at those conditions. We are in the market. So once you come to the site, make sure to use demo first, learn these parameters, these conditions, and then you can proceed on now to trade and practice. Okay, guys? So you can see there again, we've had a second session entry, and the trades are not bad. We've hit our take profit, $61.4. Okay. Always also make sure your Wi-Fi or internet speed is good. You should be able to get good entries. Okay. Let's see. Looks like we can still get another entry here because we are waiting for the trigger digit there. And then we move on to the entry. So we are waiting for digit 3 to trigger, which is odd, and then followed by an even digit. So look at 3, odd, you've had the beep, you're in the market. Okay. So before, people used to do this manually, from even creating the bots, being sold bots. So even right now, the bot is trading, you can't see it. It's input your stake, it has input your martingale levels. Take profit is 3 times. My internet there looks a bit slow. That is why you can see the lagging. But let's see, we still have momentum. Even at 54, we've recovered. Let's see. And then the entry has reconfirmed again. So the market is predominantly even. We should be able to hit our take profit. Now, with this kind of strategy or this kind of setup, you're not supposed to trade for too long. You're not supposed to trade for too long, but then again, because I can monitor and I can see several beeps coming back to back, meaning the market is still even, we should be able to recover. Okay. So there we're in 2 plus a profit of $2. Again, a loss. Let's see. We've recovered $7, $24. And you can still see there the conditions not very bad. So let me stop because primarily because of my internet. And then also we've done, that was the third session back to back. Let me reload everything. Always make sure to reload the tool, the site, so that you can get fresh Deriv WebSocket data. Okay, so let's see. Looks like we can still manage 51s even. We have an entry. Always wait for that run button to open up like that. And then let's wait now for a good entry there. And we're in the market. Okay, you can see our first trade is a win. Second trade is a win. And then you can also see there one condition has retracted. Red is below 8.6. Again, that is a hanging issue. I do not know whether it's my net or Deriv, but I suspect that must be Deriv, especially we are hitting them hard here. We are making some good entries, but the tool will assist you. There again, another $61. Okay, guys. So if you're a beginner, Deriv beginner, you're very lucky. 2026 use of AI tools are helping us enter the market with precision. Okay, no tool is 100%. We are not saying that every time you should win, but this tool will always try and fight for you. Now, once you come there, you can explore over and under, and then same procedure, you scan markets like that. You can scan the 1S family or the standard volatilities, which are not very fast. And then once you get an entry, same procedure, it will take you to the stake area, you load your bot, and then wait for the beep final entry, okay? So we are still scanning, and you can see the market is not ready. The market AI that you can see there, if you click it, it will be able to advise you. You will hear an AI agent talking to you, and it will kind of translate the page and where you are and tell you what to do. Okay, guys? So let's look at standard. See whether we can get over and under. This is, okay, there we have volatility 75 plain, not 1S. So this one will be a bit slow. Let's take $10, lock the stake. So the XML bot has been loaded. Look at the run button there. It has opened up. Then we've entered the market, okay? We're trading over two, very easy market. Let us see if we are going to make headway and make some profits here. So volatility 75 is normally not fast. The non-1S family, you can see even the bot is taking trades slowly because that is volatility 75 without the 1S, okay? Trading over 2. The tool has provided us entry on over 2. And like I said, beginner, Deriv traders, it's not like when we started. Nowadays, we have AI. AI has helped us create tools that look at very many things in the market and enable us enter the market like this, okay? Just make sure your internet is fast and good. And then always practice on demo. We have several tools here. You can hear reconfirmation there. Once you know how to enter with the tools, it will be very easy for you to trade on Deriv, okay? We've done most of the difficult work by creating the tools. So right now, it's just like giving you food using a silver spoon for you to eat, okay? No guarantees in trading. There's risk always. Do your capital management well, because you can always see there are times you are getting into losses. And then the idea is always to try and get your winning sessions to be above your losing sessions, okay? I also lose. There are sessions whereby things don't go well, but we've really tried to refine the tools to provide you with good entries. Still over 2 there, and you can see we should be able to make 3 times of $10, that is $30, and then we are out of the market. Do not chase wins, do not chase losses, okay? Do not overtrade. Once you overtrade again, you expose yourself to the market, and that is when you normally blow your account and lose the profits that probably you had made. So trade with the discipline. There we've hit our take profit, made $30, and now we can call it a day. And that is the tool, guys. That is the tool you can trade. You can use to enter even odd, over and under as a beginner. That is the tool. And then you can always switch from over and under to even odd. And then in the process, you will also learn how to look at these percentages, the digits, because again, there's data. Below there, you've seen the conditions. You'll be able to read and see what is remaining. And after a few runs, you'll be able to know how to enter even odd, because the tools that we have designed are also teaching you in the process, okay? So you come to your demo account, play around with it, you'll be able to learn. We've got several tools here. This is the Surge AI, the one I normally use to send signals to Telegram. Make sure to join our Telegram and WhatsApp groups. This is the latest Digit AI. I did a video in the previous video. You can see we have several tools here that will help you enter trades. Okay, and this is the even odd analysis tool. Happy trading. Remember to like the video, remember to subscribe, remember to join our Telegram group so you're not left out whenever we send out signals or videos, educative videos like this. Happy trading and good luck.